everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to mount a staghorn fern using our DIY kit. So most of what I'm using today is included in the DIY kit, and I've attached the link below the video if you want to purchase. Okay, so let's get started. So first you'll need your wooden plank. You'll need your 4-inch staghorn fern, nylon wire. Now the dried Staghorn moss will come like this, the packet, but you want to take a handful and wet it so that it's slightly moist, and you want to squeeze out any excess moisture. We'll also be using fresh moss today. You'll need a pair of scissors, a piece of rope for hanging, 5 stainless steel screws, 2 hanging nails, and a hammer. Okay, so the first step is you'll take your staghorn fern, place it in the center of the plaque. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're going to trace a circle that's slightly larger than the pot. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to mark 5 equal corners around the circle where you'll place your nails. Next, we're going to take our nail and you're going to take a drill. You're going to begin to drill those in. Okay, and your plaque should look like this. And then you'll also take your 2 hanging screws and you're gonna place it about 2 inches apart. And for that, you'll only need a hammer. And you could just hammer those in. So next you're gonna take your wet Staghorn moss and you're gonna place it in your circle, and you wanna cover up any space between the nails. So like that. Okay, and then you're gonna take your staghorn fern. You wanna gently pull it out, and you want to get rid of any excess soil, but you want to make sure that you leave the roots intact. So this is roughly how much I take off. Then you're going to place it on top of your Staghorn moss there. Next, we're going to take our fresh moss and you're going to start coating the soil until it's fully covered. Next, take your nylon wire. You're gonna wrap it around one of your nails. You're gonna double knot it. And then you're gonna continue to wrap it around the other nails in a star-like motion until you see that your fern is secure. Okay. Once you see that your fern is secure, take your scissors, cut off any excess wire. And then the last step is you're going to take your rope. So this is how your staghorn fern should look once you finish wrapping the nylon wire. You'll see here how secure the staghorn fern is. So the last step is you're going to take your piece of rope. You're going to loop it around each of your hanging nails at the top there. So if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel where you can see our upcoming DIY videos. And if you have any questions, please email us at hello@geoponicsinc.com.